Hello friends, time for technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and traded in a sideways manner for first half of the trading session. Thereafter, after one in the afternoon, we saw some selling pressure which dragged the Nifty down, and the Nifty ended the day with a 70-point cut in today's trading session. The advanced decline ratio was negative with 474 advances to 766 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Tisco, Cipla and BPCL were some of the stocks which closed with gains today. However, HDFC, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank were some of the major draggers in trade today. Interestingly, the small cap and the mid cap index closed with marginal gains in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative and could not continue with the positive momentum that it showed in trade yesterday. Our sense is that it is forming some kind of a consolidation flag pattern around these areas after this sharp run up, and if the low of 707 is breached on the downside, then we can see the Nifty slipping down till 7676, which is the 20-day simple moving average, which is a crucial support, and traders can look for initiating longs at that level. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty is consolidating in a sideways manner. It is closed below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. However, we feel that this sideways consolidation is forming a bullish flag pattern, which will ultimately break on the upside. The hourly momentum indicator has given a negative crossover on the back of the sharp fall that we have seen in today's trading session. However, we feel that the Nifty should hold around the lower end of this downward channel and thereon trade with a positive bias. 7676 is a crucial support, which is a 20-day simple moving average. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also could not continue on to the positive momentum that it showed in yesterday's trading session, and it has closed just around that 20-day simple moving average crucial support. We can observe that it has not been able to surpass that upper resistance trend line or the upper area of that channel line, and hence until and unless that is breached on the upside, traders should avoid taking long positions. If in the coming trading sessions we trade above that or we close below that, then that would provide a good trading opportunity, and a big move on the upside is on the offing. So that should be a point where traders should initiate longs on Bank Nifty. Crucial supports are placed at 15,162 and 15,000. On the upside, 15,500 and 15,625 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty still remains positive. 7676 is a crucial support, which is a 20-day simple moving average. If we slip below 7707, then we can slide down till 7676, which is a crucial support, and traders can look to initiate long positions at that level. That's all for the day. Thank you.